Welcome to Content Types Explained. In this series, we will explore 4 fundamental ways to create and share content: text, video, audio, and visual formats. Each format has its own unique strengths and best uses. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right format for your message and audience. All content creation revolves around 4 main pillars. Text includes articles, blogs, and scripts. Video encompasses recordings, live streams, and tutorials. Audio covers podcasts, music, and voiceovers. Visual content includes images, graphics, and designs. These 4 formats are the foundation of modern digital content creation. Text content is written information delivered through words and language. Common formats include blog posts, articles, scripts, captions, documentation, and social media posts. The key advantages of text are that it's easy to create, search engine-friendly, and accessible to everyone. Text content works best for tutorials, guides, storytelling, and educational material where you need to provide detailed reference information. Video content is moving visual media that combines sight and sound to communicate your message. Common video formats include YouTube videos, tutorials, live streams, short videos, documentaries, and webinars. Video is highly engaging, makes complex topics easier to understand, and is extremely shareable across social platforms. Video works best for demonstrations, entertainment, teaching, product showcases, and storytelling where visual movement enhances the message. Audio content is sound-based material delivered through speakers or headphones. Common audio formats include podcasts, music, voiceovers, audiobooks, sound effects, and ambient tracks. The key advantage of audio is that it can be consumed while doing other activities like commuting or exercising. Audio creates an intimate connection with listeners and has a low production barrier to entry. Audio content works best for background learning, music, storytelling, interviews, and building brand identity through sound. Visual content communicates through images and design elements. Common visual formats include infographics, posters, thumbnails, illustrations, photographs, and graphics. Visual content has instant impact, is highly memorable, works across language barriers, and is very shareable on social media. Visual content works best for marketing, branding, social media posting, data visualization, aesthetic appeal, and delivering quick messages that stand out. Let's compare how each format performs in different situations. Text is excellent for teaching and documentation, reaches audiences through search engines, and creates high return on investment with quick creation. Video is perfect for entertainment and explaining complex topics, has viral potential on social media, but requires significant production time. Audio is ideal for learning and entertainment, works on podcast platforms and streaming services, and takes moderate time to produce. Visual content excels at marketing and branding, spreads rapidly on social media, and requires variable skill levels depending on your design expertise. Smart content creators use multiple formats together. Repurposing content means transforming one format into many. Take a video and create podcast clips from it, extract text transcripts, and design visual thumbnails. Use a combined approach like adding captions to YouTube videos, including show notes with podcasts, or pairing infographics with detailed articles. Multi-format content reaches different types of learners: visual learners, people who prefer reading, audio-first consumers, and mobile users. The pro strategy is to create your core message once and then distribute it everywhere, packaging it across all platforms and formats to maximize your reach and impact. Remember, each content format has unique strengths. Text, video, audio, and visual formats each serve different purposes and reach different audiences. The key is to match your content type to your specific audience and your goals. By combining these formats strategically, you can maximize your impact and reach as many people as possible. Start by understanding your audience's preferences, then choose the format that best delivers your message.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.